Welcome to the SequenceDiagram plugin tutorial. This series of short videos will guide you through installing, using, and mastering tips for the SequenceDiagram plugin. These skills will help you accelerate your code comprehension, quickly grasp the logic of new projects, integrate smoothly into your team, and stand out. First, is this tutorial right for you? You can decide based on the following questions. 1. Do you have a large codebase to familiarize yourself with? Whether you've just joined a company, started on a new project team, or are simply studying excellent code from others, you often face the challenge of reading and understanding a lot of code. If so, this tutorial is for you. 2. Is your programming language one of these? This tutorial is applicable if you use Java, Kotlin, Scala, Python, Go, or Rust. 3. What is your role in the team? Whether you are a developer or a tester, as long as your work involves reading code, you will benefit from this tutorial. Let's dive in. What is a sequence diagram? A sequence diagram is a type of UML unified modeling language interaction diagram. It illustrates the dynamic collaboration among multiple objects by displaying the time-ordered sequence of message exchanges between them. This includes sending messages, receiving messages, processing them, returning values, and more. We won't delve too deep into UML theory here. Interested viewers are encouraged to explore dedicated UML resources. What is the SequenceDiagram plugin? Today, we focus on the SequenceDiagram plugin. It's a powerful tool designed for the renowned IDE, JetBrains' IntelliJ IDEA. Its primary function is to generate sequence diagrams directly from your code. Let me show you how intuitive it is to use the SequenceDiagram plugin. 1. Generate the diagram. First, open a Java class. Place your cursor on the name of a method you want to visualize. Then, press the shortcut key Alt+S on Windows or Option+S on macOS. The plugin will instantly generate a sequence diagram for that method call. 2. Navigate the code. Once the diagram is generated, you can double-click on any invocation step within the sequence diagram. The IDE will immediately navigate you to the corresponding line of source code. See how the core logic becomes instantly clear. It's that simple. To recap, using the SequenceDiagram plugin is a straightforward two-step process. 1. Select a method name. 2. Generate its sequence diagram. Then, leverage the generated diagram to navigate your codebase, making comprehension significantly easier. In our next lesson, we will cover how to install the SequenceDiagram plugin. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.